Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at token burns and buybacks, optimizing supply dynamics in cryptocurrency. 1. Introduction. Supply management strategies. Token burns and buybacks are mechanisms used by cryptocurrency projects to optimize the supply dynamics of their tokens. These strategies aim to create scarcity, increase token value, and reward token holders. 2. Token burns. Permanent removal of tokens. Token burns involve the permanent removal of a certain number of tokens from circulation. This is typically achieved by sending the tokens to an address where they are inaccessible and unspendable. Scarcity and value appreciation. By reducing the total supply of tokens in circulation, token burns create scarcity, which can lead to an increase in token value due to the basic economic principle of supply and demand. 3. Buybacks. Repurchasing tokens. Buybacks involve the project or its designated entity purchasing tokens from the open market using profits, reserves, or allocated funds. Supply reduction and demand increase. Buybacks reduce the circulating supply of tokens, similar to token burns, while also increasing demand by signaling confidence in the project and returning value to token holders. 4. Purpose and benefits. Price support. Both token burns and buybacks can provide price support by reducing the available supply of tokens, potentially mitigating downward price pressure. Rewarding investors. Token burns and buybacks are often seen as a way to reward long-term investors and incentivize holding tokens, as the reduction in supply can lead to price appreciation. Aligning incentives. These mechanisms align the incentives of token holders and project stakeholders by promoting long-term value creation and stability. 5. Implementation considerations. Transparency. Projects implementing token burns and buybacks should provide transparency regarding the process, including the amount of tokens burned or bought back, the rationale behind the decision, and the source of funds. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with relevant regulations and securities laws is essential when conducting token burns and buybacks, especially to avoid allegations of market manipulation. 6. Examples of token burns and buybacks. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance periodically conducts token burns of BNB based on trading volumes on its platform, permanently removing a portion of the circulating supply. Crypto.com Coin, CRO. Crypto.com conducts regular buybacks of CRO tokens using a portion of its transaction revenue, thereby reducing the circulating supply and supporting token value. 7. Criticisms and risks. Lack of fundamental value. Critics argue that token burns and buybacks do not inherently create fundamental value and may be perceived as short-term tactics to manipulate token prices. Market manipulation concerns. There are concerns that token burns and buybacks could be used to manipulate token prices, especially if conducted without transparency or regulatory oversight. 8. Future trends. Integration with DeFi mechanisms. Token burns and buybacks may be integrated with decentralized finance, DeFi, mechanisms, such as liquidity mining and yield farming to further optimize supply dynamics and incentivize token holders. Increased regulatory scrutiny. As token burns and buybacks gain prominence, they may attract increased regulatory scrutiny, requiring projects to adhere to stricter compliance standards. 9. Conclusion. Token burns and buybacks are effective strategies used by cryptocurrency projects to optimize supply dynamics, create scarcity, and reward token holders. While these mechanisms can provide price support and align incentives, they also pose risks and require transparency and regulatory compliance to maintain trust and credibility within the cryptocurrency ecosystem.